What's up, high levelers? Funnel Doc here. In today's video, we're going to go over how to use the drip action sequence inside of workflows. Basically, think about it like back in the day when they used to have everyone would rush in during Black Friday and be knocking the doors down. Well, this is your chance to put a gate up. So if you say sent in 10,000 people in a workflow, you can actually set your requirements on how many people you want to let in and how often you want to let them in. So inside today's video, I'm going to show you how to set all that up. So today we're going over the drip action sequence inside a workflow. So to access that, the first thing you're going to do is go to your menu to the left, hit automation. Then you'll see your workflows are automatically highlighted. You'll then go to create a workflow at your top right here. Click that bad boy. And then I always like to start from scratch with everything I do. So we're just going to hit start from scratch. Now, this could be anything that you're sending in here. This could be opt-in. You could be doing a bulk action and adding all your client list to this workflow. There could be a number of ways that you're triggering this, but today's video, we're not going to talk about that. Today is going to be the demo for drip. And it's really easy to do. So you're going to have everyone coming in for whatever trigger you want. And all of a sudden you decide, you know what? I need to slow this down. Maybe you're warming up your email provider, your SMTP, for whatever reason. You slow it down. You need to only allow a certain amount of people to be able to go through this step at a time. You're going to hit the plus, then you'll just type drip into the search. You'll see drip beta pop up, and then you'll see drip mode. Now, your size batch for this can actually go up to a total of 10,000 per batch. And your interval can be set from anywhere from 1 minute to 7 days. So if we came in and we were saying we were doing a 5,000 person batch, and maybe we want them to go in every, we'll go with days every 1 day. Well, and then so every day, every 24 hours, another 5,000 people would go through this point. And then whatever is next, they get. Now, this could be an email. It could be any number of actions. Just realize that's the cool thing about these workflows is it really lets you customize how many people you want to a certain process. Maybe you're limiting them because you only want a certain amount of engagement, or like I said, you're warming up your SMTP. There's a number of reasons you might want to use this, but it's really up to you. Just think of this, like I said, this is the gate guy at the Black Friday saying, no, you can't come in. Come on in. Nope, you can't come in. Come on in. Well, with that, we'll end today's video. Thanks so much for watching Funnel Doc with Content Army and High Level. Funnel Doc out. Peace.